During our trip to Italy, we visited a few major places in the country. The first stop was Venice. The best way to see Venice is just to walk around, explore, get lost within the city and find all the hidden gems hiding down the back streets off the main footpaths. In the real touristy spots of Venice, there's loads of people, crowded places, expensive prices. This really isn't the true Venice. After taking in our final sunset in Venice, looking over the water, we had to head to the airport. After catching a short flight across the country, we landed in Naples and grabbed a taxi and headed for Pompeii. On the day we arrived in Pompeii, the weather was so nice, we decided to go up Mount Vesuvius. We caught the public bus and headed for the mountain. Look at the view! The bus only went so far, so we carried on foot all the way to the top to take in the wonderful Italian landscape. Day 2 of our stay in Pompeii was filled with the Pompeii ruins. We spent the whole day discovering this hidden city. We stayed for sunset, but the sunset was nowhere near as spectacular as that in Venice. Day 3 we caught the train and headed for Sorrento. Looking at the picture of Sorrento, we were going with high hopes, but when we got there it wasn't quite what we expected, but we spent a few hours, grabbed a coffee and explored the views. And that's it, that's the Italian trip.